Hi, this is Jennifer with the Jen Sense Aromaversity, and thank you for stopping by and checking out our Advanced Holistic Aromatherapy Blending Techniques certification course. This is a level 2 professional aromatherapy certification course. This is one of my all-time favorite courses to produce for you. It is a labor of love to share not only essential oil knowledge and a deeper, greater understanding of the essential oils, but various ways that you can blend them together to achieve particular mind-body goals, results that you're looking for. So I'm really going to go into unilayering, multi-layering, integrating different methods, different philosophies, from scent classifications to chemistry, to using the chakras, to a variety, and we're cross-referencing them, and you're able to do it along with me. That way you're able to expand and practice your aromatherapy blending skills, and the goal would be to really hone in on those talents that you innately have. And when you're working with yourself, with your family, and with others, that you're able to appropriately use the right blending technique, the right blending method, and match up the right essential oils and carrier oils and other botanicals or even gemstones that you may want to add in there. So I hope that you come take this course, because it is absolutely a wonderful course. It's everything that I've learned over 20 years of blending that I'm extending to you. So we will see you there.